Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this froggy hat in DTI. So if you're ready to add a splash of cute and quirky to your DTI avatar, this froggy hat hack is the perfect style upgrade to make your outfit stand out and bring those adorable vibes. And let me show you how you can create this hat. So first you can go to the fitting room or the dressing room in here and put on this hat from the code items and make the color green. So here I'm using this green color. You can also use the dark color if you want to, but I'm going to use this one. Change the color into all green for this hat and add this bear ear and change the color, the first one into white and the second one black, so it will look like the eye. You can also use the adjustment feature to adjust it more if you want to. I'm going to make the scale smaller. Okay, now let's add another item. So here I'm going to put on the sleeping mask. This one, toggle it into on hat. Change the first color into green and the second one black. And here I'm going to put on this hat. Change the color to green. And last one, I'm going to put on this bow here. So now your froggy hat is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.